Hi boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the previous class, I explained the laws of logarithms. Okay, I gave you the laws of logarithms. Okay, so today I have a few questions with me. So we are going to discuss these questions together. Okay, see, this is June 2025 paper 2. This question is coming from June 2025 paper 2. How to solve this question? Okay, so 6c. The question is log base 3 into x minus 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2. Okay, now what are you supposed to do? See, there is this law. I gave you this log. Let's say here is a and here is m. Here is equal to b. Okay, log base a, m is equal to b. This can be written as, you can write this as what? M is equal to what? M is equal to a to the power what? To the power b. This is the thing. Okay, so I'm going to write this in this form. So this x minus 2 to the power 2 is nothing but m. This x minus 2 to the power 2 is nothing but m. So I'm going to write x minus 2 to the power 2 is equal to. This 3 is nothing but a. Okay, and this b is nothing but 2. Okay, so you take this 3 and write here. It's now 3 to the power what? To the power 2. Here we are. So we have managed to get rid of this logarithm. Okay, now I have this equation. So this is nothing but x minus 2 to the power 2 is equal to 9. Okay, if you want to remain with x minus 2 here on the left hand side, what are you supposed to do? You take the square root of both sides. So x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 9. The square root of 9 can be plus or minus. So x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3. Here we are. Okay, see, if you say 3 times 3, you are going to get a 9. If you say negative 3 times negative 3, you are going to get a what? A 9. Here we are. Now, this is nothing but x minus 2 is x is equal to, you take this negative 2 to this side, it becomes 2 plus or minus 3. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 5, or x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 1, which is correct. If you put a 5 here, this is 5 minus 2. What is the answer? This is 3. 3 to the power 2. So log base 3 to the power 2, the answer is 2. If you put a negative 1 here, negative 1 minus 2, this is negative 3. Negative 3 to the power 2, this is 9. Log base 3, 9, the answer is 2. So these are the correct values of what? Of x. Let's move on to the next problem. These two questions are coming from November 2021, paper 1. Okay, see, I said if you have log subscript m, then m. What is the answer? The answer is 1. That's like if you have log base 5, what is the answer? Is 1. If you have log base 9, what is the answer? Is 1. Log base 10, what is the answer? Is 1. And you are supposed to know, if I just write log 10 like this, what is the answer? The answer is 1. By default, if I write like this, by default, this is log base 10. This is very important. Please take note of this law, because we are going to use it here. So this is 10a log base 4, 64c. This is log base 4. 64 is nothing but 4 to the power what? To the power 3c. 64 is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, that's why I'm going to remove this 64 and I'm going to place a 3 here. So log base 4, 4 to the power 3. See, there is a rule, there is this law, I gave you this law. Log m to the power p, what is the answer? The answer is p log m. Okay, the answer is p log m. Likewise here, I'm going to take this is p. This 3 is equal to p and this 4 is equal to m. Okay, and here in this case it's base 10, but here in this case it's base 4. So I'm going to take this 3 to this side. So this is 3 log base 4, 4. I know log base 4, 4. What is the answer? The answer is 1. So 3 times 1. What is the answer? The answer is 3. Let's move on to B. 10B. This is 10B. I have log 8. This is the numerator divided by log 16. Okay. See, log 8 is nothing but log 2 to the power 3. And log 16 is nothing but 2. It's log 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4, it means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. 2 to the power 3, it means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Okay. Applying the previous law, this will give you 3 log 2 divided by 4 log 2. Okay. Now you can cancel log 2 and log 2. So the answer of this problem is 3 by 4. 3 divided by 4 is the final answer. Let's move on to the third question, which is coming from November 2022, paper 1. This is log base 5, 80 minus log base 5, 16. See, there is this law. If you have log A minus log B, what is the answer? The answer is log of A divided by B, like this. Yeah. So in this case, A is nothing but 18. B is nothing but 60. Okay. So this is equal to log base 5 in brackets 80 divided by 16. 80 divided by 16. Here we are. Now, what are you supposed to do? You can reduce this. You can reduce this. Okay. If you reduce this, you can say 18 to this one, this is 10, and 18 to 16, this is nothing but 2. Okay. 2 here is 1, and 2 here is 5. So you have log base 5, 5. What is the answer? The answer is 1. This is the solution to this problem. Let's move on to question number 4, which is coming from November 2023, paper 1. It is given that log 8 is equal to this. You are supposed to evaluate this. So you are supposed to think, okay, but don't think too much. This is simple. Okay, this is log 0.8, which is equal to what? This log 0.8 is equal to log, open bracket, 8 divided by 10. I am expressing this as a fraction, which is equal to, using the laws of logarithms again, this is log 8 minus log 10, of which log 8 is given. This is 0.9031 minus log 10. The answer is 1. So what is the answer? If you say, you can subtract now. You can subtract 0.9031 minus 1. What is the answer? The answer is minus 0.0690. Minus 0.0690. This is the final answer, negative 0.0690. Let's move on to B. 23. B. The logarithm of this number. So log 512. This is nothing but log 8 to the power what? To the power 3. See, 512 is equal to 8 times 8 times 8. So 512 is equal to 8 to the power 3. So I'm removing this and I'm writing 8 to the power 3. Using the laws of logarithms, you bring 3 to this side. It becomes 3 log 8, of which 3, the value of log 8 is given 3 into 0.9031. Okay, now what is the answer? You do the multiplication. You are going to get the answer is 2.7093. This is the final answer. Let's move on to the last question, 23C. We have log 2. Log 2 is given. This is log 2. So this is 23C. Log 2. Okay. So now what are you supposed to do? You are given log 8, and here we have log 2. Okay. You are supposed to think, how can you get 2 from 8? How can you get 2 from 8? See, this is nothing but log 8 to the power 1 by 3. These are laws of indices. If you have 8 to the power 1 over 3, what is the meaning of this? This is 8 to the power 1 divided by 3. What is the meaning of this? It means the cubic root of 8. A number which multiplies itself 3 times. A number which multiplies itself 3 times to give what? 8. This is nothing but 2. So instead of writing 2, you can write 8 to the power 1 over 3, because 8 to the power 1 over 3 is equal to this 2. Now applying the laws of logarithms, you bring this 1/3 to this side. So 1/3 into log 8, which is 1/3 into log 8 is nothing but 0.9031. What is the answer? If you multiply the 2, what are you going to get? You are going to get 0.301. The answer is 0.3010. This is the final answer. Okay, so keep on practicing these laws of logarithms. Okay, so see, it might be difficult for me to cover all the questions related to logarithms in these classes. Okay, but what are you supposed to do? You take the textbook, you go through the examples which are there. You also go through the questions which are at the end of the what? At the end of the topic. Okay, there are some question papers which are already there before 2015. I'm not going to take questions from papers OCS below what 2015 are. I'm going to start from 2016 going up to 2025. Okay, so you can take 2020, 2014, 2013, 2012. Okay, then try to start questions related to logarithms. Okay, then only you can learn. This is very important. Thank you very much. Have a good day.